Thank you, Japhanie. Texas surpassing 1,000 new COVID-19 cases for the fourth day in a row.
Right now, the number of statewide cases stands close to 32,000 with 878 deaths reported. And public health officials feel the number of infections could be even higher as many people are infected without showing any symptoms.
The night team Stephen Cavazos with continued efforts to ramp up testing here at home.
What we're looking at is a myriad of data.
San Antonio Mayor Ron Nirenberg says that number could grow as more people are able to be tested for COVID-19. Last month, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention added 6 additional symptoms related to the virus. Some of those new symptoms include a headache and sore throat. The mayor says that's been helpful when it comes to tracking the number of new cases in Bexar County.
There's a much wider application of the testing now, which has helped to increase the numbers that we're getting screened.
Public health officials say testing sites like Freeman Coliseum conduct around 200 tests a day, and more testing sites are starting to open. One of those sites is the Frank Garrett Multi-Service Center, which opened Saturday. That's where the Texas National Guard is assisting. 36 tests have been administered so far, but public health leaders want to reach more people.
We are working hard to make sure that at least testing is accessible to everyone in the community.
Jennifer Harriet, assistant director at Metro Health, says beginning this week, walk-up testing sites will be established in the community. Harriet says that teams are working to identify which areas will see these testing sites set up at, but it's not clear exactly when that will be happening or where these sites will be. And as for testing people who aren't showing any symptoms, Harriet had this to say.
We'll continue to discuss it, and that may be something that comes on board soon.
Now, while testing for asymptomatics has not started just yet, the mayor still encourages anyone who believes that they may have been exposed to the virus to utilize or call the COVID-19 hotline. He says if you are exhibiting any symptoms relating to COVID-19, you can also utilize the city's self-screening tool located on their website. A link can also be found on ksat.com. Tim, Courtney?
Thank you, Stephen.